Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Ghost Touch on the REALME P3 5G smartphone. So Ghost Touch is when you get unwanted interactions with your phone. So let's say, for example, you're using your phone and out of nowhere it just randomly triggers something, so almost as if it touches the touch screen somewhere. And that could mess up, that could glitch out your phone and just have unwanted actions performed. So if you don't want that to happen, if you want to remove that issue, what you could do is, the first thing I would recommend, to remove the case from your phone. So I have this case right here that I have removed from my phone, and also remove the screen protector. So you might have a screen protector that's messing with your touch sensors. So some debris may have been caught under the touch screen, under the case protector, and it might just trigger your touch screen. So just remove that and check if that helps. Then the next thing I would recommend is to clean your screen. So just get a microfiber cloth and just get in there, clean your screen thoroughly to get all of the debris, all of the moisture off. And try that without the screen protector and see if that also helps. The next thing that you could try is to enable mistouch prevention. So to do that, just go to settings, scroll down to home screen and lock screen, scroll all the way down to find pocket mistouch prevention. So prevent accidental touches that may occur while your phone is in your pocket. So just make sure to enable this option to see if that helps. Or if you had it enabled, make sure to disable it to see maybe that changes something. And the last thing that I would recommend is to update your software or check for updates. So just scroll all the way down to System and Updates in the settings, then go to Software Update, and here you can check if you need a software update. So it's going to find any available updates, and as you can see, I have one. I need to update to another version. So this one optimizes camera, updates Android security, and fixes some known issues to improve system stability. So this might be just what I need. So to update, you're going to press this button at the bottom that says download. And once the update has downloaded, press restart now to restart your phone and actually install the update on your phone. And after it's restarted, check if that helped, if that fixed anything. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.